Hello.
Hello.
I'm Charlotte from Little Dell Music Studio, and this is
Felix.
And we are going to make
Maracas.
We're going to make maracas using stuff that we have at home. So what is this?
Egg.
It's a plastic egg. And then what else do we need?
2 spoons for each.
2 spoons for each one. And then what are we going to put inside? Dried beans or dried rice. And let's see, what else do we need, Felix? Tape. We need some sticky tape, right? So I have a couple different kinds of tape here. And you know what else I have here? I have some labels for us to color on while we're decorating our maracas. So you don't need those, but they're kind of cool. So we might use some. And then I also have some markers for us to decorate our maracas. So first things first, Felix, are you ready? Okay, I know sometimes these cheap little eggs have holes in them. Like this one has a really big hole. And so if I put rice in here, the rice is gonna come out. So if your eggs have holes in them, you wanna make sure that you cover them from the inside with some tape. Just a little side note. So that was a good discovery, Felix. Okay, so let's take our eggs. Do you want the blue one first?
Sure. I want to put some. Can we put some tape in here, please?
Yes. So first things first, we're gonna take just a little bit of tape and sort of patch
I want
that.
the black.
So we're gonna take whatever our filling is. We're going to fill it about halfway up. So.
Oh no, let's put that one in too.
Fill it up and then close your egg. So right now,
it's
already,
red, kind of.
no, it's fine.
Well, that sounds cool.
Okay, so now is where we can take our tape.
Wait, the black tape is better.
You want the black tape? Okay, so we're gonna take a strip of tape. Put it right around the seam,
Which is the crack.
which is the crack where the two halves of the egg come together.
That doesn't look cool.
So now yours is taped shut, right? So what we have here is an egg shaker, but we want to take it a step further to make it into maraca. So Fee, do you want to? Should we make this one rice?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've got 2 egg shakers here. So now we can take our spoons.
And take them, Mom.
And we have to tape them, so we want to tape our spoons so that
Stretchy.
they're around, like together here and together up top. So you want the black tape? Why don't you start coloring? Here's some markers on one of the labels so we can decorate with it.
I'm still making my labels.
Okay, so we finished our maracas.
Mhm.
we've got 3 maracas.
This one says rock and roll and dog man.
Yeah, Sophia decorated that one. It has a rock and roll, and he helped me decorate this one. This is our rice one, and then what do we think? Which one? What are those filled with?
This one is beans. This one is rice.
So let's shake. Can you shake the bean one for me, please? Yeah, and then let's shake the rice one. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for making maracas with us today. Check us out soon. We'll have another make at home instrument video up very soon. Bye, friends.